HKD
has arrived.
Okay, so I just gave you a preview of what you're getting. Free of charge, by the way. This is custom made. And you can use it for whatever you like. I don't care. But I'm gonna show you a few settings that you must tweak to your liking, and a bit more. I'm gonna show you a bit more of the system so you know what you're getting exactly. So if you go to the round system, if you go into the round system script, which should be in Surge Script Service, everything should be in one folder by year. I'll name it to where you need to drag it. But yeah, the round system, this script is where you modify everything. So basically, minimum players. This is how much players is required to start a match. You can make this 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, whatever you want to. So if there's 4 players, then, or if you set this 4, then 4 players is required to be in the game and ready to actually start the round. Round length, this is how long the round is. It's, pretty simple. Intermission time, this is how long it takes for the round to start once minimum players has been, fetched. I made this 1 just to test it, but it would be better if it's 2. But yeah, I'm just keep it for 1 for right now, just for testing purposes. 2 other settings you need to mess around with is this. So here at round length, you'll find this, right? I'll mark it out for you guys. Let me actually do it right now. I'll just name this infected counts and research account. Okay, so you're gonna find this, and right here at this value, this is how much infected must be alive for researchers to be able to win. You can change this, by the way. You can change the string to like anything you want, doctors or like aliens, I don't know. And you can tweak around with these 2 strings as well. And basically what this does is, if there's 0 infected left, researchers wins. And if there's 2 infected left, then researchers wins. I recommend keeping this to 0. Else if, so I'm not gonna make it complicated, but this is how much researchers needs to be alive for the infected to win. So you can make this 0. So if there's 0 infected alive, researchers would win. If there's 0 researchers alive, then infected will win. Pretty simple. That's it. That's the only settings you really need to tweak. You can change the strings to whatever you want, really. Personal preference. You can change this string as well. So instead of round in progress, it could be like round playing or something. You can change the intermission to like waiting for rounds to begin, or not waiting for rounds to begin, but round beginning in 10 seconds, or I don't know, whatever you want to. And then this string is like just when there's not enough players, like we said, then you can, and you're waiting in the lobby, you can make this waiting for players or waiting for entities or whatever you want to. Um, that's basically it. Don't mess with anything else. You, yeah, just don't mess with anything else. It might get a bit too complicated. Those are the only things you need to. I'll mark it out for you guys so it's, you know, better to find, simpler to find. And yeah, this GUI, don't mind it, and the pop-up, don't mind this as well. This basically just shows if you're infected or a researcher. Um, and yeah, that's basically it. So you can you can customize the UI if you know how to do UI. I don't, so I didn't mess with it. You can mess with the round timers UI. You can mess around with this. Just don't mess around with the script, but you can mess around with like the labels. And same with the team pop-up. Don't mess up, don't mess with the script, but you can mess with the, label. Make it a bit more prettier. One more thing, if you join the game, settings might be messed up right now. We'll see. But it will choose only one infector, like only one infected player. This is how the system works. As you can see, there's 0 researchers, so infected automatically wins. And it automatically replays the match. I put it as 1 minimum player, that's why it's replaying instantly. When you're in the lobby, you can't take damage at all, but when the round starts, you can take damage. Let me show you guys. Wait, but let me just do this real quick. Let me make this 2, and then yeah, let's play. So we're waiting for round to play. I can't take damage, by the way, at all. This is a kill brick. And this pops up as well. I'm infected in the leaderboard. And if I try to take damage now, I will. And if I die, since we make it 0 infected for researchers to be able to win, researchers win. And it restarts. So yeah, that's the whole system. This task list and this like serums and stuff, if you want, like, comment if you want me want me to make it and complete it, and I'll also post this for you guys. And that's about it. I'm working on a pickup system as well. If y'all want to see that, if you want that, then just tell me. And that's basically it. Even if we get a lot of views, a lot of likes, then I would also release the full system, like a full game system for you guys. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how the system works. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll try and put it in a folder, name everything, try and make it simplified for you guys to understand and put it where it needs to be. If you don't know how Studio works, just go watch a video saying Roblox Studio, how does it work, or like how does the UI work, or beginner guide or something like that, just to understand. If you don't understand, where to put things, then you can watch those videos just to understand where to put it. That's basically it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. This is Fear of Profit. I do this purely just to make you guys happy, help you guys with your games. This is not a stolen asset at all, so enjoy.